Don't ruin a great beer with the wrong meal. Make sure you're ordering the right foods with the right beer. Between pale ales, IPAs, session IPAs, Belgian IPAs, and white and black IPAs, the market is flooded with beers that put hop flavor front and center. So it's important to pair them with food that's equally robust. Spicy dishes such as Thai curries, tacos, and Indian food are a natural match for the bitterness of an IPA. Pilsners are endlessly drinkable with a crisp flavor that pairs wonderfully with subtler, more delicate dishes. Sushi, for example, is a natural companion to a Pilsner. Cheeses with a little punch, such as sharp cheddars, blue cheese, and pepperjack, will also feel right at home with a Pils. Dark-colored, roasty, or sweet beer rock the palate with rich, complex characteristics of malt. Since richness is the name of the game, it's important to pair these dark beers with dishes that are just as densely flavorful. Stews and hearty soups, for instance, are a great partner for stouts. The savory, smoky characteristics of braised and barbecue meats often bring out the best in brews that share a similar flavor profile. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to craft beer. There's many more flavors and styles to explore.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.